Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of traditional Chinese cooking with the ZhenSanHuan Chinese traditional handmade iron spatula and ladle wok tool set. This exquisite set features hand-hammered iron utensils, including a ladle and spatula, each boasting a hollow and long handle design that ensures your cooking experience is both comfortable and safe. With handles measuring an impressive 40 centimeters, or 15.7 inches, these tools are crafted to prevent heat transfer, making them perfect for any chef. Forged from a single piece of iron, these utensils are free from coatings and paints, ensuring durability and a lifetime of use. While they are not dishwasher safe, simply drying them after washing will prevent rust and keep them in pristine condition. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor cooking, these tools can be used directly over an open flame, making them versatile companions for any culinary adventure. So, elevate your cooking experience with these professional-grade, detail-oriented wok tools that promise to last forever. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.